Tether is not just a stablecoin. It is a financial giant with billions in profits and scandals that everyone should know about. What will happen if Tether collapses? Can they withstand pressure from Europe? Let's find out. In this video, you will learn how Tether managed to surpass Apple and Nvidia in profitability, what scandals put their reputation at risk, who could replace Tether, and most importantly, will they be able to maintain their leadership after blows from European regulators? If you want to stay updated on the biggest events in the world of cryptocurrency, finance and future technologies, subscribe to the channel, like the video and hit the notification bell. Ready? Let's go! The history of Tether and early scandals. Tether was created in 2014 as an attempt to introduce a stable cryptocurrency. However, behind its bold promises came equally bold scandals. Let's start from the beginning. 2014. The usdT stablecoin was introduced, essentially a rebranding of the real coin project. Developers claimed, "One Tether equals $1, transparent and reliable." 2017. A major revelation, the Paradise Papers leak. It turned out that Tether was closely linked to the crypto exchange Bitfinex through offshore schemes. The company denied the connection, but documents told a different story. 2021. Blow from regulators. The US Commodity Futures Trading Commission, CFTC, fined Tether $41 million for lying about the backing of its tokens. The result? The market shock, but demand for usdT only grew. How Tether makes billions. Tether is often called a money-printing machine, but how do they actually make money? Every issue to usdT is supposedly backed by assets, at least that's what they claim. But the key point is, these assets generate income. Where does the money come from? From interest on short-term US Treasury bonds and loans. While other companies wait for profits for years, Tether earns billions from interest alone. Let's compare. In 2024, Tether recorded a record-breaking profit of $13 billion. Profit per employee $85 million. For comparison, Apple $571,000, Nvidia $1 million. That's 85 times more than Apple, but there is also a downside. Part of Tether's reserves includes volatile assets such as Bitcoin. If the market crashes, trust in usdT will crash as well. And what do you think? Is this a reliable business or a bubble? Share your opinion in the comments. Scandals, leaks and threats to Tether. Tether is a constant player in crypto scandals. But what if this is just the tip of the iceberg? Let's dive into how these events shook their reputation and the market. The SEC case. As mentioned earlier, in 2021, the US Commodity Futures Trading Commission, CFTC, fined Tether $41 million. The company had claimed, every token is backed by $1, but it turned out this was false. The news sparked panic in the market. Bitcoin dropped by 15% and altcoins lost up to 25% of their value. Market manipulations. Studies have shown that usdT issuances coincided with Bitcoin's sharp rise in 2017. Critics claim that Tether artificially pumped the market by printing unbaked tokens. When this was exposed, traders rushed to sell assets, and crypto exchanges reported record losses. The biggest question remains, if Tether collapses, will it drag the entire crypto market down with it? What do you think? Are these real threats or just competitors' fear tactics? Share your thoughts in the comments. The MiCA blow, problems in Europe. Tether is facing a new enemy, the European MiCA law. But what if similar regulations are introduced in the US tomorrow? Let's break it down. MiCA is an EU regulation requiring a license to issue stablecoins. In 2024, Tether failed to obtain it, leading to mass delistings of usdT from European exchanges. The market was hit by a wave of uncertainty, shaking trust in stablecoins. Now imagine, MiCA comes to the US. This would mean mass delistings on major American exchanges like Coinbase and Kraken. By the way, Kraken recently listed Notcoin, a token we discussed in the previous video. And as you can see, the market reacted with growth. But what happens if Tether starts disappearing from exchanges? Trading volumes will drop, usdT liquidity will shrink drastically, and without usdT, traders will be forced to find alternatives. The market could crash by 20–30% in just a few hours. Capital flight to alternative stablecoins, USDC or even government-issued digital currencies could take the lead. But Tether won't just sit back. They could move operations to more crypto-friendly countries and launch new tokens through subsidiaries. Do you think Tether could survive such a blow? Or would their leadership collapse forever? Tether's plans, new stablecoins. Tether is fighting back and preparing for the future. Their goal is not just survival, but expansion into new markets. eurq and usdq, new stablecoins compliant with MiCA regulations. A partnership with Qantas Payments will help Tether return to the EU market. Investment in StableR. Tether is investing in European companies to bypass restrictions and demonstrate regulatory commitment. Beyond Europe, Tether is expanding into Asia and Latin America, strengthening its position among major financial players. But will these steps be enough to maintain leadership? Which stablecoins could replace Tether? If USDT disappears tomorrow or faces severe restrictions, who will take its place? Let's look at the alternatives. USDC, Tether's main competitor. Who is behind it? USDC is issued by Circle, backed by Coinbase and several major banking institutions. Main advantage: full transparency. Circle publishes monthly audit reports confirming that each USDC is backed by US dollars in bank accounts. Disadvantages: strict regulation. Circle follows US financial laws, which could limit its use. Less popular among traders. USDT dominates the market, handling 70% of all stablecoin transactions. Conclusion: if regulators ban USDT, USDC could become the new official stable currency in the crypto market. DAI, a decentralized alternative. Unlike USDT and USDC, DAI is not controlled by a single company. It is supported by smart contract systems on the Ethereum blockchain and is backed by various crypto assets: Ether, USDC, BTC. Main advantage: independence from banks and centralized entities. No one can freeze or block your DAI. Disadvantages: backed by volatile assets, making DAI vulnerable to market crashes. Development relies on the DAO community and decisions made by its participants. Conclusion: if the crypto community turns away from centralized stablecoins, DAI could become the leader. PYUSD, a bet on traditional finance. This is PayPal's stablecoin launched in 2023. It is issued by Paxos, the same company that previously issued BUSD for Binance. Main advantage: integration with PayPal. In the future, users will be able to make payments, store and send PYUSD as easily as dollars in a bank account. Disadvantages: PYUSD currently holds a very small market share, fully controlled by US regulators. Conclusion: PayPal could turn PYUSD into a mainstream financial tool, but for now, it's just laying the groundwork for the future. So Tether is a financial giant with billions in profits, scandals and threats from regulators. Will they survive 2025, or will the collapse of USDT become the biggest crash in crypto history? We've explored Tether's history, profits, scandals and future plans. Now it's your turn. Do you trust stablecoins? Do you think Tether will withstand the pressure from MiCA? Share your thoughts in the comments. Subscribe, hit the like button, and I'll see you in the next videos.